Diamond Bifold Doors has a rich history, with roots in each industry we serve. Founded by a pilot in a farming community, and building the highest quality doors in our own family business, Diamond Doors has been building meaningful customer relationships since 1998. Diamond Doors manufacturing process begins with quality steel running through our cleansing acid wash. When set into our jigs, the pieces are welded together by our WCB certified welders. Each door is then painted, fully assembled, and wired, creating the simplest bifold door to install on the market. Each door comes standard with the Diamond Genesis electrical box, open and close limit switches, and an emergency manual opener, along with many other features. Options include custom windows or polycarbonate sheeting to let in natural light, steel header and supporting columns, which enables our doors to be installed on any building. Along with many helpful features and options, Diamond Doors also comes with one of the best warranties in the industry. Our hinge bushings have a lifetime warranty. Our leading cable drive system allows a 10-year warranty on lift cables, thanks in part to our proprietary cable guides. We wrap the whole door in a 2-year warranty against any factory defects. When your door is ready, the Diamond Door trucks will deliver the door to you personally. No matter what kind of building you have, a Diamond Bifold door brings the value, the reliability, and the customization that you need for any building of any size or shape.